Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be continuing the 9904 Mustang GT Duraflex body kit project. We're going to be taking off the back bumper and putting on the new one today. So without further ado, let's just jump straight into it. Alright guys, so to start this off, ignore the mess. There's a lot of microfiber cloths in my sub, and we're not even going to talk about that cold air intake. You want to pop off this panel, and there are going to be two bolts down in here, right there. One's right there, and then one's behind this cloth area. But you're going to want to remove this just by unscrewing it. And there's not one on my side, but I'm assuming there's supposed to be one on that side as well. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, I went ahead and got those two bolts out. I recommend using a giant extension. I forgot my big one at work, so I literally just used all the ones I have right now, and it seemed to get the job done. So next thing I'm going to do is get these two screws out. Okay, that is not working, but there's a screw right here, and then there's one up here. So I'm going to go ahead and take those out, and then this whole side should just pop right out. Last screw is kind of a little dick to get to, so I just went ahead and jacked up the car a little bit because the suspension drops when you do that. So therefore the tires stayed on the ground, car came up, and it was easier to access that screw. Just a little tip. Alright guys, so I thought there was bolts in there. There might be, I just can't really see them yet, but underneath here there are 3 plastic rivets. Here, let me focus. There we go. 3. There's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. And then over on this side, there's 1 more. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can't pop off this backside. There's probably bolts inside of there that I haven't seen yet, so I'll keep looking and I'll let you guys know. So I actually had to look it up because I could not figure it out. So right down here, there is I just hit my head. This plate. It has 4 push pins, so I went ahead and took those out. And then there is also a screw right in this hole. You're gonna need a 11 deep well. Same with to get that one down in there, or those 2 down in there. You need an 11 deep well socket, and that will get that right out. There is not one in this hole, which really confused me. But then there is one down in here. I had to search the YouTube video to find this one. He pulled out the taillights. I'm not going to do that. I don't think I have to. If I have to, I will. But yeah, let's get those 2 out, and then we'll just do all that side off camera because it's all the same, and we should have this thing out of here. All right, so we went ahead and got all those out. 2 back bolts over there, and the one over here. Now we just have those 2 screws over here, and this side, we got it all jacked up, but this side sucks because my bumper is bent in, as you can see. So this one's gonna be even harder to get because it's more in towards the tire. And then we got this one, and I think we got 2 push pins underneath, and then this thing should just pop right off. So I just went ahead, took out those 2 push pins at the bottom. One of them is actually a drain for all of the water that goes in here and stuff. But you see all this? I pulled back the bumper. Look what the heck fell on me. Look at that! All that freaking dirt just fell on my face. That was not okay. But I think we're good. I think we got everything out, so let's go ahead, take this off, and we'll slap on the new one and see how it fits. Alright guys, we went ahead and got the bumper off. You just had to finagle it a little bit with those 2 bolts right there. It was like kind of stuck in there, so I just kind of kept pulling and wiggling a little bit. But we got it off, so let's go ahead and slap on the new one and see how it fits. Alright guys, we got the new bumper out. The biggest concern I'm gonna have is the exhaust lining up with those holes. That kind of has me nervous, but we'll try it. Alright guys, so I set it on there. I have something underneath holding it up right now. Oh man, this would be a lot of work to put in. First thing, I'd have to cut this because of this right here. Next, right up above that, there's like a foam piece for if you got in a crash. I'd have to trim that because of this piece here. And then same with the other side with the corner. The exhaust tips line up okay, but they're like super far in now. Oh my god. I don't know if I'm gonna put this on. I think it looked pretty dope once it's painted, but oh my god. It would make it lower a lot, or it'd make it look like it's a lot lower. Oh, I don't know. So much work. I need motivation, guys. I need motivation from you. So, you let me know. Literally just said this entire outro and then realized I wasn't freaking recording. You know how many times I've done that? Oh my god. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. If you did enjoy, please leave a like. That is going to wrap it up for today. So if you want to see more of this content, please subscribe. It means a lot. Give me some motivation to do this project, guys. It is a lot of work. I know I say this like every video, but I get up at like 4:20 a.m. Literally 4:20 a.m. every day. Get home at 5:30 from work p.m. every day. And then I come and I work on my car if I feel like it. So that's why these videos are kind of short. I try to make it enjoyable for you guys. I'm trying. My hair is kind of crazy right now because I really need a haircut. I'm getting one Wednesday and I'm really dirty from work and this. So if you guys want to see more content like this, let me know in the comment section. And also, I forgot to say this. This bumper is going to sit mad low. It's honestly, this either is going to look so good or so freaking bad, like ugly. But we don't know yet, so it's going to go below those tailpipes. That's like 5 inches, 6 inches off the ground still, so it ain't that low. But at least it'll match the height of the front bumper. Side skirts still need to be put on, so it's a journey, guys, and I hope you tag along with. So have a great day, guys. See you in the next video. Peace out.